Alright, this table should be your best friend when you're doing measurement questions, because this will help you do all the conversions from millimeters to centimeters, centimeters to meters, meters to kilometers, etc. Okay. Perimeter and areas. So the perimeter is the length of the outside of the shape. So over here we've got a quadrilateral, and the perimeter adds up to A plus B plus C plus D, which is the four sides on the outside of the shape. A circumference is the perimeter of a circle. So to get that, we do 2 pi r, pi being 3.14 and r being the radius. Or we can just do pi times d, which is pi times the diameter, 3.14 times the diameter. We do that is because 2r is equal to d, r being the radius. So if this is the radius and this was the diameter, sorry, let's just redo it. Cutting through the center. Diameter is equal to 2 radii, okay, or the radius is equal to half a diameter. Alrighty, just remember these formulas and you should be okay. Right, the area of a circle is pi r squared, and to find the area of the circumference of a sector, what we do is we need to find out the angle of this section here. Okay, once we find out what the angle is, we divide it by 360, because 360 is the total sum of angles in a circle, which is a revolution, and we just do 2 pi r, because that's the circumference of a circle. And we do the same for the area, pi r squared. Okay, easy as that. The area of a triangle, everyone knows, there's half base times height, base being the bottom here and height being from the topmost point of the triangle to the base. Okay, rectangle is just base times height, base being this one, height being this one. With a square, all sides are equal, so we can just do L squared, because L times L gives us L squared. Parallelogram is just base times height, base being the bottom part here, and the height being the distance between the topmost to the bottommost. Okay. Alrighty, with the trapezium, the area is half h times a plus b, a being the top length here and b being the bottom length here, and height being the distance between the topmost to the bottommost points of the trapezium. Okay, the area of a rhombus is just half times x times y, the product of the diagonals. Okay, so we need to find out the length of the diagonal here and the diagonal here, and do the product of it and then divide it by 2. Same with the kite, half times the length here and the length here, it's just the diagonal. Okay, and just with composite shapes, we divide the shape up into 2 shapes and then find the perimeter or the area separately and then add them up. Okay, we've got some applications here, you can go through yourself. There's the working out with the work solutions, and just got some more. You can keep going, you guys can have a look at it by yourself. You can pause the video and then try the question and have a look at the answer, because all the answers have worked solutions. Alright, these ones are pretty straightforward, you guys can do it by yourselves. I'll just quickly do a few questions so you guys can get ahead. Alright, 3.8 liters in milliliters is 3,800 milliliters. I'm just going to do the right hand side. 210 minutes in an hour, we just do 210 divided by 60, because there are 60 minutes in an hour, which gives us 3.5 hours. 200 millimeters into meters, 200 millimeters in centimeters would be 20 centimeters. So 20 centimeters in meters is 0.2 meters, because we divided by 100. And the last one, 2,500 kilograms in tons. 1,000 kilograms in a ton, so we just get 2.5 tons. That's it. Alrighty, find the circumference and area of the circle with radius of 10, diameter of 14. Just use 3.14 as pi and apply it to these two formulas. This is for circumference, this is for area. Okay, that's it. You guys can try these questions by yourselves. Just apply the formulas from before, and with these kind of shapes you need to separate the two shapes and find the perimeter or the area separately, and then add them up. Okay, and that's about it.